for you today. It's my newest seed starting container. These hold 40 seeds. I mean, it's a 40 pack. Sorry. It's a 2-pack, and each one hold 40 seeds. I know some of you might not be planting as much seed, but or sowing as much seed, but this is what I need at least. So they come in 2 packs. 2 to a pack, and I bought 2 packs. So I have 4 of them. So that's the tray, right? And then you set the transparent container inside the tray to hold, so water won't spill around the place. I have to start my seeds indoor early, so. And it comes with these little marker things and stuff for you to use to dig the soil or whatever it is, and little spades and stuff. So I'm going to show you how it works.